In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how you can remove parental control in your YouTube account. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube. Then you have to click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you will have an interface like this. So here you will see a settings icon in the top right corner. Now you have to click on this option. Then you will have an interface like this. And here you will see an option called general in the top. So now you have to click on this option. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you will see an option called restricted mode. Now you have to turn off this option. If you turn off this option, all comments are seen in your YouTube account and any video you can see with this YouTube account, and that is how you can turn off parental control in your YouTube account. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.